Okay, so this is part 2 of masala fried chicken. So we're gonna make the breading part now.
So we
Okay,
start at
so
number 3.
step 3, mix the paprika powder, chili powder, garam masala, pepper in a small bowl and thoroughly combine. Set the spices aside. Now, what I'm going to do, I think we talked about this yesterday, is what this whole thing does is they do the breading separate and then they put the spices on afterwards.
Uh,
But I'm going to put the breading and the spices all in.
okay, so
The
what
same.
we're changing this a bit.
Yeah, it's up to you if you want to stick to how it says here, but
Uh,
I'm gonna mix all of the chili powder, the garam masala, the pepper, and the starch and the flour all in the bowl.
so in a larger bowl, then.
Yeah, yeah, it could be as long as you can get your
What's that?
as long as you can get your chicken in it, it should be big enough. So
Oh,
I'm gonna
might
do
have to
that,
do
but
a little bit of chicken at a time because I got my big bowls used for the chicken already.
oh,
So I got
I see.
a smaller bowl, but
Okay.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah. Well, you just do them one at a time anyways.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
put them.
Okay, so we start mixing all this stuff in.
Yeah.
So 3 tablespoons of paprika. A lot of paprika in this recipe.
There is. You better like paprika.
What's that?
You better like paprika.
I assume so. I think I use it in the chili. So
Yeah, yeah. Paprika is very popular.
now I don't know if I use this much in the chili.
No. Well, we'll find out how much we like it.
Teaspoons.
Okay. Then, so 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Garam masala. Then a teaspoon and a half of pepper. Okay. Then 2 tablespoons. That's a lot of cornstarch too.
Yeah.
And a cup and a half of chickpea flour. Or are you going to use the psyllium husk, or are you going to use your chickpea flour?
I'm just going to use the chickpea flour, I think.
Yeah.
Why? It's a slightly bigger bag than.
Oh, then the psyllium husk. Yeah, it might be cheaper.
Yeah.
I made some chickpea flour this morning. I just took chickpeas and ground them up.
This is 1 1/4 cup.
Yep, 1 1/4. I don't know if I got my quarter cup. Well, I don't know where it is.
And plus, we want to try that husk on the other thing too.
Yeah, that's true.
Anyway, so
Yeah. Yeah, we're already going to be experimental with the other one, so may as well not be too experimental with this one.
yeah.
I'm going to make the bran muffins today, I think.
Okay.
I haven't made them for a while.
So
There.
then we whisk it all together.
Yeah. Okay. Using tongs, working in batches. If needed, transfer the chicken from the marinade to the flour dredge and toss well to coat. Fry the chicken, turning occasionally. Okay, so I got oil in my pan. I'm just gonna spread it out a bit. Now you can put like a tablespoon or 2 whatever it takes to cover your pan at the bottom. Oops. I guess I'll cook on this. Okay. I don't know if you can see. There. Okay. So that's heated up. So whatever, medium, probably medium high. I don't know. Does it say?
Um,
Heat over medium. Okay. And then I got to get my tongs. Uh-oh. Oh. Mm.
so now we just use the tongs to
Yep.
coat these and put them in the frying pan.
Yep. So I just grabbed a piece and I'm just rolling it around and then plunk it in the frying pan. Whoop, that one splatted. I think I'm going to do these in 2 batches. I think my frying pan's not really big enough for 1 batch. I might have to make more of the breading. I'm using quite a bit of it up.
Lot of chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. It might work out. Okay, so I'm done. I'm just done my first batch. I put them in. I'm going to put my 5-minute timer on. Have you got all of your first batch in?
No, but I think I might do them in two batches too. So
Yeah.
I'm almost done. That way they all touch the bottom or the frying pan.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
They're not on top of each other.
Yeah, because that's a lot of chicken.
Not a good recipe to wear a white shirt.
No. I'm going to keep, I'm going to get a plate and I'm going to keep dipping my chicken while this is cooking so that I can put them all in at the same time next time.
It's only cooked for 5 minutes or 5 to 10.
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes on each side.
Oh, okay.
So you're
That's not
gonna you're gonna flip them after 5 or 10 minutes.
okay.
See how you think they look. I did some yesterday. Um, not this recipe, but I was experimenting with the psyllium husk one,
Oh, okay.
and I cooked them 5 minutes and it worked out okay.
Oh,
But
five
I
on
know
each side.
yours cooks a little not as quite as hot as mine.
Yeah. Well, I tried to make the chicken a little bit smaller pieces.
Oh yeah,
So that might help a bit.
yeah. Where's my, I got 40 seconds left. Mine are actually a tiny bit burnt on the bottom. So I think I'm going to cook it for like 3 minutes next time. Or maybe I should put more oil in the pan
Yeah.
because I think this soaks up the olive oil. I'm going to reduce my heat too. They didn't look like they were cooking that fast before. Oops.
Oh, so now we turn them.
Yeah. I think once I remove these, I'm going to kind of take the spatula, the flipper, and kind of clean out, like, because there's some like of um the flour mixture kind of in the bottom. I'm gonna clean it out, and then I'm gonna put. I think I put about 2 tablespoons of oil in last time. I'm gonna put 3 in this time, just because I find that it's some of them are, or I don't know, they're a little bit burnt, but it might just be the heat. How are yours when you flip them?
They don't look too bad.
No? Okay. Well,
They're,
maybe it's my.
but I think that's also the color they're supposed to be too.
Yeah, they're dark. Yeah.
It's definitely a breading type thing.
Yeah. I think next time I do this, I think I might even do it like in 3 batches, and then do this thing where, like, so for the next batch, I've got them all prepared on a plate because I was putting them in there. Some of them were cooking
Yeah.
while I was still doing the other ones.
Yeah.
So some cooked for like,
Long.
uh,
It takes so long to put the stuff on
yeah.
and to transfer. Or even put the breading on, get it all done before you even start cooking.
Hmm. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like put them all, just bread them all and put them all on a plate,
Yeah, yeah,
and then do them all at once.
yeah. I think that's probably the best idea.
Hmm.
I will definitely do that if I like them.
Yeah, I'm really curious. I mean, to me, they don't look very good, but but
Well, see, this is kind of what I expected for the Cajun ones.
right.
They almost look Cajun with the breading and stuff.
Yeah. And we could even do this type of thing with the Cajun spices
Yeah, yeah,
instead of like just using that Cajun recipe. That
yeah. It's going to take a few plates because then when you take it off the skillet, you
yeah,
got to put it on plates.
yeah, that's right. I know. And Neil just did dishes this morning, so I don't think he's going to be too happy. Just gonna take one out and cut it open
Oh yeah,
and see if it's cooked through or not.
yeah, yeah. It's kind of hard to tell whether it's cooked through because
Yeah,
there's so much
yeah.
breading and stuff on it.
So I cut one open. This is the fattest one I have in there, and it looks like it's cooked.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm gonna take these ones out and put a new batch in. Now, somebody said you could bake these instead if you rather not. You could just do them all and then put them on a pan, put them in the oven
Oh,
for, you know, 30 minutes or something. There's that option too. So I'm just gonna scrape out all the breading that's in here so that I don't have it getting burnt. And then I think I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons in of
the oil.
the oil. Yeah. Sorry, I can't speak and cook at the same time. Yeah, I don't have a tablespoon. I'll just swing it. Okay, there.
Now, with these things, probably when you eat them, just fry them back up again. Just a
Yeah,
small one.
yeah, yeah. It's probably better just to use to fry them again.
Yeah, probably easier than well. not easier, but probably tastes better than doing it in the microwave.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I was surprised at how well the marinade stays on it.
Yeah.
I think that's part of the flavor too.
So I've taken my first batch out,
Okay.
and now I'm putting in the second batch.
Yeah, I just started my second batch. I'm gonna have a third batch because I couldn't do.
Yeah, I probably will too. That way I kind of keep all the chickens separate.
Yeah.
Third batch might not be as big, but
Yeah, I only have like 4 pieces for the third batch, but I rather not try to jam them all in.
yeah.
There. Okay. I'm gonna try one of them. Oh, that's pretty yummy.
Is it good?
I like it.
Yeah. But you're more of a hot.
It's not
Oh,
too spicy.
I,
Have you tried it?
no, not yet.
No, it's not very spicy.
Oh, okay.
Mine's a little spicy because I have hot paprika.
Oh, yeah, that's
But
right.
there's like the paprika normally isn't hot.
Yeah.
There's definitely some spice to mine.
Yeah.
They're pretty moist.
Oh, okay, that's good. Because usually chicken or turkey is dry.
Yeah. To me, this tastes more like Cajun chicken.
Oh, does it?
Well, mostly because it's mine is spicy because I have that hot paprika. Yours
Uh,
won't be spicy, but we could change some of the ingredients and make this more Cajun-y.
yeah.
Hey, babe, do you want to try one? You got to breathe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Morning, Steve.
Neil says hi.
Yeah.
Did your batter last long enough?
Yeah. Yeah. I still
Still
got a
got
lot.
some. Oh, that's good. Okay.
It's almost like popcorn chicken.
Yeah. Did you try one? Yeah.
Right now I am. Oh,
What, It's like popcorn, just pops right out of your hand.
I know.
What do you think?
Not bad. Yeah, it is moist. I'm actually
Yeah,
surprised.
yeah,
Cool one.
yeah. These have all sat out for a bit.
Yeah, if it was probably more of the Cajun, I think I would like it more.
Yeah, yeah. Because mine's a bit spicy and I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try. Why don't we try this recipe with the Cajun spices?
Yeah, yeah. With we'll have to make our own breading or whatever this is,
Yeah, yeah. Basically,
and
we
maybe
could
use the musk or something. I don't know.
we could use that next. Why don't we try it next week? We'll use the husk and we'll add some of the spices from the Cajun chicken.
Okay.
What
Yeah,
do
I
you
kind
think?
of forgot what the spices were, but
I think there was cayenne in it. That's
oh,
why. Yeah, he got locked in the fridge. Yeah, I shut the door and it was still stayed open a little bit. And I tried to shut it again. And I'm like, why is it not shutting? No, he was jammed in there. What do you think? What do you think, babe?
It's good. No, probably not my favorite, but it's good. I like it. It's different.
Yeah,
yeah,
it's moist.
Yep.
yeah.
Oh,
That's me.
yeah, I think mine went too. I forgot about it. Yeah, these ones are better. They're not, I didn't cook them on that high a heat.
Yeah, I probably should cut mine down a bit too, because I think the second batch, because it's already heated,
Oh, yeah.
you know. Oops. Yeah, I think you're right. It really sucks up the oil.
Yeah, it does. I'm not adding oil when I flip it, but
Yeah.
yeah,
By
I
the
put,
time the two runs are done.
yeah, yeah. Oops. Oops.
Yeah, last week I had the teriyaki chicken with cauliflower for breakfast.
Oh, really? For breakfast?
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, I liked it. Oh, we're in sync.
I'm actually putting in the third batch now.
Yeah, I'm gonna be. I just got to get my second batch out. Do you like the garam masala taste to this?
Um, I'm not really sure what that taste is.
Oh, okay.
So
No, I was just wondering what, like if we should use the garam masala, because the garam masala is not in the Cajun one.
it's what?
The garam masala is not in that Cajun
Oh, okay.
recipe. Because I thought, well, just like we'll do a mix between the Cajun and this one, but um, I'm not sure if we'll use the garam masala or just stick to the ones that were in the Cajun one.
Yeah. Well, let's just try the Cajun one and then
Okay. But
see
do you
what.
want to marinate it like with like this one?
What's that?
Do you want to marinate it like this one where we do the yogurt or no?
Um, is that what we did last week?
No, we
Oh,
didn't.
no, or the Cajun? What did we put on? Is it
It
something
was
we?
it was strictly spices. We didn't have any breading or anything.
Right,
So,
but we're going to add in the breading.
yep.
Um,
So the question is, do you want to do the yogurt part for this for the next one or just do the breading?
I don't know. Does the what is the marinade? What was all in that?
It was yogurt and some of the spices.
And some of the spices. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I wonder, does that make it uh juicier?
Well, I think
Like
it
the
kind of
yogurt?
yeah, because I think it does kind of like um I think it might hold the the breading onto it more.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that as well.
Okay, we'll do the yogurt again, and
Yeah,
then but we'll use the spices from
the Cajun.
um the Cajun one.
Yeah.
It won't be well, and it'll be like a little hotter, a little spicier because it'll be the we'll have the um cayenne on it. Oops,
Okay.
I forgot to start my
I
thing.
don't mind spices if it tastes good.
Yeah. Oops. Oh,
Because I could taste that it was I you could you could tell that it was Cajun a bit.
yeah, the other one.
Yeah. Um, I'm not sure what makes the flavor of the Cajun,
Yeah, I'm gonna look at that recipe.
so I don't really know. Because maybe because it's slightly Cajun, but it'd be nice to be more Cajun.
Yeah, like the one we did, the Cajun one, like a little more, like a little spicier.
No, I like the Cajun one to be more Cajun.
Yeah,
Does that make sense?
yeah.
What's that mean? I don't know what that means, but
Well, I think it needs just, I don't think it had enough cayenne pepper in it. Like, I don't
maybe
think it was spicy enough. But I think that it'll
is that what
help.
Cajun is that what Cajun is?
Yeah, Cajun's hot.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
I've never
So,
noticed it real hot when I went to get like when I get Cajun wings at a restaurant or something. They don't
yeah,
taste overly hot,
no.
but it tastes like the breading. It has like it has a breading or whatever. So
Yeah. Well, you know what we could do next week is we could marinate half with
uh,
the a mixture of these spices and the yogurt, and then not marinate the other half, and
oh,
then do the exact same thing, and then we'll have a example of both
yeah,
to see
yeah.
which
Because
one.
usually when I buy chicken, there's like four breasts or whatever. So two and two.
Yeah, two and two. Yeah, we'll split it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we'll have a good idea. So so the Cajun one had paprika again, garlic powder, which we didn't have garlic powder in this one.
Yeah.
It had oregano and thyme, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and red pepper flakes.
Okay. Yeah, maybe a little bit more cake or the cayenne pepper. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah, because it wasn't very spicy.
No. Yeah, I got two plates full so far.
Oh yeah, makes a lot, eh?
Yeah. I didn't realize the third batch is actually almost just as big as
Oh,
maybe those two. A
yeah,
lot of chicken.
yeah, but that's good.
Made some of those.
Hmm?
Made some.
Yeah, go ahead. Those are warmer, like not spicy warmer,
Yeah, just fresh.
but it's got spice to it, eh?
Oh, not crazy.
No. but I only put like a tiny portion of the paprika in.
I got a lot of chicken in my freezer, or will.
Yeah, you.
Well, I still have the teriyaki chicken in there,
Oh wow. Yeah, you should eat that up first,
and I have
probably.
one more batch of chili in there.
Oh, oh yeah, you need to eat that up.
Well, I got it in the freezer, so
Yeah.
I just take it out when I need it. After next week, we might have to take a break for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Eat food.
Yeah. No, actually, I just thought about it. I have to take next week off.
Oh, okay.
So so well, at least you have food in your fridge.
Oh yeah, yeah, I got lots, so that'll
Okay.
save me a week from buying meat and
Fine.
stuff.
Meat. That's right. Well, and then it'll be kind of fresh, because we've eaten this chicken a lot.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it'll be, yeah, I forgot because we have to get work done. We're Margaret and I are doing this herb garden.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so next Sunday we're going to be doing that.
Okay.
I almost forgot about it.
I think I'm gonna take my last batch out of bed early.
I got 2 minutes left.
Yeah, I got a minute and a half, but it seems to
Oh,
cook pretty. Like once it gets heated, it goes quicker than normal.
yeah, yeah. They're definitely not undercooked at all.
And I've had to, for each batch, so 3 batches, I've had to add oil in every time.
In each, yeah, yeah, it just sucks up. It's basically empty of
Yeah.
oil by the end. Yeah.
Plus, too, with all this cooking, you run out of containers.
Yeah, that's true. I know. Yeah, we
Especially
do
for the
too.
freezer. Because I
Yeah,
I can just use plastic stuff for the fridge, but I like to use the glass ones for the freezer.
yeah, yeah.
I
I
think
don't
they
blame you.
hold their stuff better.
Yeah. there's my flipper. Okay, this is the last. Oh, I better cut. This guy's a big guy. Better cut him open.
Well, you know what? When you cook it up, even if it's not quite cooked, if you put it on the frying pan again, like when
Yeah,
you go to eat a batch or something,
yeah. When you reheat it.
just it'll just. Usually, what I do is I'll get a small frying pan
Hmm.
and then I'll heat up the element um, and put the meat in the frying pan before I put it on the element. So the
Oh,
element is like totally heated already,
right.
and then it only takes like a minute
Yeah, to heat it
just
up.
to heat it. Just yeah, because basically all you're doing is heating it up. So,
Yeah, yeah.
but if you
But
had to
still
cook,
keeping it crispy by putting it in the frying pan, though.
yeah, instead of the microwave.
Yeah,
And tell the truth, that'll be good for this because it's already moist. Doesn't need
yeah.
the microwave again.
It's surprisingly moist because it doesn't look like when you look at it,
Yeah, no, it
it
doesn't.
doesn't. But it is really moist.
Yeah,
I like it. I'm quite happy with it.
yeah,
Neil's kind of like, yeah, it's okay. He's
yeah.
not but
Does he like Cajun?
yeah, I don't think he's that big on Cajun actually.
Oh, okay.
No. So that's probably why. His favorite is the um that butter chicken.
Oh, okay.
Remember the butter chicken? It
Yeah,
was really
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Yeah.
You'll have to
Yeah.
make it for him
Yeah. And actually he was like, "What about those chocolate logs?"
then.
He really liked the chocolate logs,
Did we do it? Oh, yeah, we did do them. They didn't
right?
work out for me that well. They were like the chocolate ended up really hard.
Oh, really?
It almost break my teeth. Um,
Wow.
like mine didn't turn out as good as yours for what I forget what happened, but
Yeah, it might have
like
been the
the peanut
difference.
butter stuff was good. Like the inside was great.
Yeah.
The chocolate didn't seem to. I forget what I did. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but
Well, we didn't have paraffin wax. Remember, Mom puts
oh
paraffin
yeah,
wax in it?
yeah. I forget what I did because I didn't have any paraffin wax. I forget what we put in.
I think
It's,
we just used the chocolate straight up. And it might have been that, like my chocolate down here, it has a tendency to be softer. But I
uh,
think that baker's chocolate that you had
yeah,
was pretty hard. So I think that
yeah,
even though you melted it, like we could have maybe added like a little bit of milk or something so that
yeah,
when it dried softer.
yeah, yeah. Because it was like really, it was like hard, and
Yeah.
it wouldn't cover it like Mom's
Yeah.
like the whole thing. So it'd just be like like as soon as I hit it, it was hard.
Yeah. Like a glob.
Like I couldn't roll them properly in it or anything there.
Yeah. That's too bad.
Yeah, and I think too because my peanut butter part was soft, so it's hard to roll and it was sticky and I couldn't roll it properly. It wouldn't
Yeah.
stay in a clump very well,
No.
but it tasted good though. Not,
Yeah.
and it's not that it didn't taste good. It just didn't
Just,
work out as what I thought.
yeah. No, it didn't look appetizing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it might be too because of the butter, the peanut butter you have is the non-preservatives and like just nuts.
Yeah, yeah.
So it might be softer
Oh,
than
yeah, that could be too. Yeah, I know.
might have been a combination of all of those.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
I got a little bit of stain on my white shirt.
Oh.
Well, that's my
See,
fault for wearing a white shirt.
you
Yeah,
need an apron.
yeah. I guess well, that'll be my next purchase.
Yeah.
Well, now that
Yeah.
I'm working full time again, I can afford an apron.
Yeah. Well, I spend a lot of time wiping my hands on it, so
Yeah,
works
yeah.
out good.
Okay. So don't forget to send me the episode 3 and 4, just the link
Yep.
for YouTube.
I'll do that right now, actually. As soon as I hang up, I'll send it to you.
And then I can download it permanently and we have it.
Yeah, yeah. And then mom will be happier.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
All
3 and
right.
4. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, well, I'll see you on Wednesday anyways.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Oh,
I
right.
work
When's
till 3 though.
yeah?
So
So we're
yeah,
doing it at
till
3:30.
3 whenever.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay.
All
Bye.
right. Talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bye.